everyone, this is KSTYLEyo. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between 춥다 and 차갑다 and 덥다 and 뜨겁다. Welcome back. My name is Inyoung. If you're new here, I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about the common question that I get asked by students, and this question was raised by Yusoria, and she asked a great question. Is there a difference between 춥다 / 차갑다 and 덥다 / 뜨겁다? So this is a little bit tricky question even for myself as a native Korean speaker, because in the past I never thought about what to say. I just said it when it's appropriate to say. Ever since I started to teach Korean language, I get asked about things that I never thought of, and this is one of the questions. First of all, there's a difference between 춥다 and 차갑다, even though they both mean to be cold. And for the second one, 덥다 and 뜨겁다, they both mean to be hot, but there is a distinguishment. But the difference between 춥다 and 차갑다 and 덥다 and 뜨겁다 have the same logic. Thank God. First, let's take a look at 춥다 verb. 춥다 is used when you feel cold. I feel cold. 저는 추워요. In a polite way. 난 추워. In a casual way. I feel cold in the winter time. What if I use the second verb? 차갑다. If you want to say 차갑다, it means when someone or something is in the state of the cold temperature. So if I say 제 손은 차가워요. My hands are cold. Or you're cold. 넌 차가워 means you're being cold to me. You're in a state of cold temperature. 넌 차가워. 차갑게 굴지 마. Don't be so cold. But if I ask you, 너 추워? Means do you feel cold? 추우면 따뜻한 옷 입으세요. If you feel cold, wear something warm. So now let's talk about the second part of it. 덥다 is exactly the same logic. I feel hot. 저는 더워요. In a polite way. 난 더워. 나 더워. I feel hot. When I say 뜨겁다, that is when someone or something is in a state of hot temperature. If I touch a stove, 아 뜨거워. That stove is in a state of hot temperature. 뜨거워. But I cannot say the stove feels hot, as in the stove is the subject. They can feel hot. No, I feel hotness in the stove. Right? 태양은 뜨거워요. The sun is hot. The sun is in the state of hot temperature. The sun cannot feel the temperature. I feel the temperature of the sun, right? So 태양은 뜨거워요. The sun is hot. How about 태양은 뜨거워서 전 더워요. The sun is hot. Because of it, I feel hot. Hopefully this video is clearing some confusion. If you like this video, make sure to give thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them comment down below. Like Euphoria, if I think that it's a great question for everyone, I'm gonna pick it out and make a video about it in the future. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!